All right, today's lesson is Intro to Apps. Okay, we're going to be working with code.org, so make sure you open up your code.org. When you open it up, your Unit 3 is going to be available. Okay, also go to your computer science classroom. I posted start off. I want you guys to make sure you read all this right here. Basically, I'm going to give you guys time to make up work for Unit 1 through Sunday, and that is it, including the exam. If you don't make it up, then you guys are going to get a 0. You will not be able to make it up after that. And starting on Monday, I'm only going to allow for 10% off if your late work is 5 days. If your work is late for the first 5 days. After 5 days, you'll get a 0. You won't be able to make it. Also, remember, it's really important to watch the entire video of each lesson before you try to do the worksheets. You're not going to be learning the important information. So make sure you're watching the entire video. A lot of you guys are trying to skate through and just do it as quick as possible without watching the video. You guys that are doing that are not as successful as the people that are watching the videos. Remember that policy about the late work, it goes into effect on Monday. So make sure you guys are turning your work on time. Okay, this is your fair warning right here. So let's see. I want you guys to go to open up, and now we're done with Unit 1, so we're going to skip Unit 2 and go to Unit 3. We're going to go open up Intro to Apps. You're going to go File, Make a Copy. Make sure you save that in your computer science folder on your Google Drive. This is a pretty quick assignment. Basically, you need to start off by clicking on number 6. Number 7. And you're going to watch this video. I'm going to let you guys do that on your own, so pause my video so you can watch this video. Now that you guys have watched the video, I want you guys to click on number 2. And this looks exactly like your worksheet. Basically what you guys are going to do is there's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all going to be little mini apps. You guys are going to click Run. You're going to click on the buttons. You're going to experiment. You're going to look on them. You're going to interact with them as much as you can. You're going to listen to them. Some make sounds, some don't. Anyways, you're going to read through it. Then you're going to go here and answer the questions. So basically, I'll do this one with you. So how does the user interact with the app? Well, we'd interact with the app by clicking on buttons, reading text, and looking at pictures. The overall purpose of the app is for water conservation, education. The target audience for this is probably everyone 12 and up. Ages 12 and up, probably. The input and output in the video, so some ways that you can input videos or input information into your computer are through your keyboard, your mouse, my microphone, my video camera. Those are the ways I'm inputting information. Outputting would be from my computer. It would be the screen showing me the information. It would be the sound coming out of my speakers, things like that. So let's go back and look at this one. What kind of things are we inputting? Well, we're inputting with our mouse by clicking buttons. So mouse, clicking buttons. Okay, and that's about the only thing we're really inputting. The other output is going to be the pictures and text. Let's say pictures, text, and buttons on the screen, and sound as well. Okay, there's the sounds. If you guys turn up your speakers, you'll be able to see it. Anyways, that's all you really will do for this assignment. You're going to do the same thing for the next 4 mini apps. So you're going to go to code.org. You're going to click on number 3 now. Now I'll take you to the next one. Okay, you'll do the bird quiz and you'll answer the question about the bird quiz along with the other ones. And then the last one, ask you what's your favorite app and ask you to do the same thing for these questions below. Okay, a target audience, basically, if you're not sure what that is, a target audience is who the creator is making the app for, who they want most people to use. What demographic do you want most people to use? So if it was the target audience for this water conservation, that's probably everyone 12 and up. But if it was TikTok, it'd probably be more like teenagers or young adults, okay? Something like that. So if it was a shopping site, it may be for women. I don't know. But anyways, you guys make sure you turn this in for your points, and make sure you guys are turning all your work in on time.